Nova premiera v Ljudskem vrtu. Prvič bo vijolični dres oblekel Šved. Max Watson bo v kratkem dopolnil 26 let. V zadnjih 2 sezonah je bil standarden v švedski prvi ligi. Pri 9-uvrščenem Mjällbiju je odigral 50 tekem. Ponavadi se prestopi dogajajo v obratni smeri, zadnji primer Aljoša Matko, toda tokrat Šved v Maribor.
It's a huge opportunity for me to come here and to play. Hopefully I'll give a good picture of Sweden to you. No, I'm very happy to be here, and I'm excited to start training and playing games with my new team. I get almost a month now to adapt and to meet the guys and see how we play. So it's good.
Max, čigar oče je Anglež, odto tudi neskandinavski priimek, je zelo motiviran, osebni in klubski cilji se prekrivajo.
I think that I can bring a calm with the ball in the back line and the structure and trying to be a leader and help my teammates. It's to develop as a player and bring my stuff to the team and hopefully win a lot of games and play in the Europe.
Čeprav gre za nevsakdanji prestop, se je nova krepitev za mariborsko obrambo dobro pozanimala, kam prihaja.
It's a big club, a club that's been playing in Europe the last years and playing for the title in the Slovenian league. So it seems like it's a club that like to win leagues and titles, so it suits me because I also want to win.
Nov srednji branilec je izbral dres številko 20, pogodba je podpisana do leta 2024.